They started off as jokes, but they are now shaking up the entire crypto world. Welcome to the wonderful world of meme coins. Let's go ahead and check out what are the latest and greatest and the hidden gems that you need to go ahead and check out. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so for this video, we will be checking out different websites, but majority of the time, we'll be focusing on the coin market cap. And I'll also show you the charts of the meme coins that I will be checking out in this video, alright? Now, meme coins, it is a unique subset of cryptocurrencies that have surged in popularity, and it's captured the attention of both seasoned investors as well as the newcomers. So these digital assets, often inspired by internet culture and humor, owe so much of their rapid rise to social media platforms. So if I say social media platforms, those are your X, your Telegram, Discord, and there are tons like Medium and a lot more. And those are like the channels where these projects are actually announcing and putting all their community in. And a strong and vibrant community is actually the one that is the key ingredient that is deriving the success of a cryptocurrency project, and not just your ordinary meme coin, right? Now, these digital assets that are often inspired by the internet culture and humor owe so much to their rapid rise to their social media platforms, just like the Twitter, the Reddit, the viral posts, the celebrity endorsements, and the community-driven hype have actually turned coins such as Dogecoin, you have Shiba Inu, from obscure digital tokens into a global phenomenon. Believe me when I say this, guys, there are a lot of people that became millionaires and billionaires just by trading in these meme coins. And their appeal lies in their grassroots nature and the allure potential that's astronomical returns. Now, guys, for many, okay, the promise of quick profits combined with the playful and accessible branding of meme coins creates enticing investment opportunity. And let me show you another one, guys. So this is Justice for Peanut. This is another meme coin project that you could also go ahead and check out. All right. And currently they have a 155 million market cap. So their appeal lies in their grassroots, just like what I mentioned. And for many, the promise. And guys, unlike their traditional investments, the value of meme coins is actually often driven more by the online sentiment than the underlying utility or technological innovation. Now, there are some meme coins out there that has already, made some utility out of their coin, which started, that's just, a mere meme coin that does not have any utility. But in the long run, they actually figured and came up with something like it is now like they have a play to earn game already that they could use that meme coin, or there are NFTs or some things like that. So they are expanding, the utility of their token. All right, now for the risk and the speculation, guys, it is the same volatility that makes meme coins so attractive also makes extreme risk. And that is the reason why I always tell you that you have to make sure you do your own research. And when you are trading, it doesn't matter if it's meme coin or the blue chip coins out there. Make sure that you know how to do technical analysis, or better, maybe, do copy trading or trade signals. Those are the type of things that will help you out in, improving your trading, like your wins from your losses. Now, investors drawn to the meme coins must approach with caution, guys. And through the research, it is critical to understanding the coin's origin, purpose, and the community dynamics of the project. Now, blindly following hype or investing without due diligence can actually lead to devastating results, devastating consequences. I mean, that is the reason why I always tell you, make sure to know what you're getting yourself into. Don't make this as a like gamble. I feel like, it's going to pump, so I'll buy it now. Don't do that, because again, you're forcing yourself to failure, and chances are, instead of you getting the most and getting profit from your trades, you're gonna lose a lot. All right, so make sure that you know what you're getting yourself into. Study first. There are actually online trading platforms out there that will let you trade using demo accounts. That is actually one good way for you to practice your trading before, transitioning into the real life hardcore trading. And if you have actually transitioned to the real life trading, tread lightly. All right, don't let emotions take the best out of you. Okay, so meme coins are actually epitomized by the high stakes nature of cryptocurrency markets. And while they represent a fascinating intersection of culture and finance, they also underscore the importance of informed, cautious investing in a speculative, unpredictable environment. So again, even if you already are proficient with technical analysis, its unpredictability may still, cause you to lose some. But at least you have a good chance of like getting more percentage for your wins compared to your losses, right? So I have one more that I would also like to show you guys, and this is the dogs token. So this is also another one that is doing really, really well. Right now, they are at 280 million point 12 market cap. So right now, they are actually doing good. It is the market bull run, guys. Hopefully, you are getting the most profit out of your trades before 2024 ends. And when 2025 ends, I hope it's going to be another really great year for us here in the cryptocurrency space. So we actually tackled and I showed you three different meme coin projects and told you about, what are meme coins and what are the things that I feel you guys need to know about what meme coins are. So make sure that if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, hopefully you would consider clicking that like and that subscribe. That way, when I upload new videos in the future, you will definitely be informed. All right, I'll see you on the next, guys. I'm out. Peace.